Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis, and today I just want to talk about 5 tips for handling multiple offers if you're the seller. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, well, welcome back. The first thing, if you're a seller and you're multiple offers, is to stay organized. What I do is like have a spreadsheet with each of the offers in it so you can see what it is and see what the bottom approximate net is to you. So that's one way. It'll have like the name of the seller, the buyer on it so you can see it, and roll all the way to the bottom so you can see each one what they're offering. And second, to create a sense of urgency. So what most sellers do is ask for highest and best. If you have 5 to 6, however many different offers, even if you have 2, you can ask for highest and best from a certain amount of time, and don't let it drag out. I mean, you're trying to be mindful of other people's lives, but it doesn't be like 2 days. It could be, 24 hours later if you decided, depending on the time of day that you're working on this too. And then also find out more about the buyers. Find out, have your realtor talk to their lender to see, make sure they know the lender, make sure they're very qualified with all that. What's their motivation, and just get some more information about them to help guide you to make the decision too when you've got all these choices. And then, of course, that's one of them, again, is to speak to the loan officer just to see what they say, because that's huge. They can tell you, you can tell by their voice if they're a little nervous or if they think it's a slam dunk kind of thing, which is important. And then, obviously, the last one is pick the very best one. So what is it? And it's not always about money. I mean, that's what I tell. It's not always about that, the highest net to you. It may be the time frame. It may allow you to rent it back. So whatever your needs are. But just pick what's the best for you. And then as a side thing, just have your realtor be friends with them still. You could have a backup offer. Don't kill the other offers. I tell everybody, thank you so much. I'll let you know if anything changes. You'll be the first one that we call. So that way, if something happens, and things do happen in multiple offers, you kind of get to the inspection period and the buyer asks for a lot of things, a request from the seller because they've paid more money or whatever the situation is, they feel like it's kind of owed to them. So just kind of be expecting that. But if that falls through by chance, then you can step back and look at the other offers as well. So anyways, if you have any questions about that, that's what we're seeing right now in this market. It's still in a lot of price points, a heavily seller's market. If you have questions about that or want to discuss that further, we're here to help in any way. The number is 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.